Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl GHKs, your favorite VSNRN. It's your baby girl Jenny. Okay, so y'all can see my face. It's not going well all up in here. Okay, I've shared that I have allergies, and this particular spring, oh my god, it's been acting up. Usually I don't take medicine for allergies, but now I have seen myself taking some pills. Okay, so I can be looking normal as much as possible. I also sniff vapor pads. So this one that I have is from Vicks. Okay, this is the menthol scented one. So yeah, usually I put it in here. I also have a. Can you imagine? Because of allergies, I purchased this thing. It's not been easy. So this is basically a steamer, okay? And it's also from Vicks. But actually steaming your face is actually good for your face. But I use a steamer for the vapor. So my sinuses can be cleared up and all that. Before, when the allergies wasn't that bad, I usually go hop in the shower, turn on the what you call it, turn on the shower, and then leave it on like hot, so that the vapor can actually sniff in the vapor. But this time it's not working. It's not working, one, because the neighborhood that I live, everywhere you go, you find trees. Okay, so that's not helping me out. And I decided to buy the Vicks, and like I said, I bought a bunch of these ones. I have essential oils flavors as well, but I like this particular the menthol one because it actually helps clear up my sinuses. And sometimes when it's too much, instead of sniffing this thing, which can be really overwhelming, because after sniffing it for like even a minute, not even a minute, like 30 seconds, it's like I can't really breathe. So I just hold it and be sniffing it. And also you can put like cold water in here, and then you plug it, and then you just wear this and then be sniffing it, taking deep breath in it. That's what I've been using, and it's been helping me. And I have also been taking medicine. I know I'm a nurse, but I don't like taking medicine. But this particular year, this particular year, the allergies been, oh my god. Like right now, I'm looking like a pregnant woman. Okay, I'm looking like a pregnant woman all up in here. Look at my face. I'm looking older. I look like I'm pregnant. I'm about to have a baby. My eyes are like the hell, like I just smoked weed or something. It's crazy, okay? So I've been using this. It's been helping me. The medicine that I take, let me see if I can actually grab it. It's actually helping me as well. So I take what is this one? Non-drowsy allergy relief. Okay, so this is basically fexofenadine and hydrochloride. Okay, it's an antihistamine, so it's a steroid basically. This is the one I've been taking. I don't know what kind of medicine you take for your allergies, but this is what I've been taking. And I have been taking this since April. Excuse me, I think there were like 30 in them. I've been taking it since April. I'm almost out, so I need to get one this weekend before I run out. I need to have one. Okay, usually because currently I work at night, so I usually take it like when I come back home and I sleep and I wake up like around like 6 p.m. That's when I take it. So around like time I'm supposed to be at work, it should be working. And the time that I come home, I should be able to actually sleep. I should be able to sleep and have a good sleep, because this one is basically like 24 hours. You take one pill every 24 hours. So it's helping me. It's been working. But the thing is, last night I forgot to take it. Days that I don't usually work, sometimes I forget to take it because it's like when I don't work, I tend to sleep anyhow. Especially now that I don't have much going on. I tend to sleep anyhow, but I know next month it's not gonna happen. It's just this month of May that I've been sleeping anyhow. Let me sleep anyhow for the short period of time that I can sleep anyhow. So yeah, it's not easy. So I just wanted to tell you guys, I'm not advertising the product or anything. If you have allergies and you're having a hard time dealing with it, especially this spring, get yourself a steamer. You don't have to get a Vicks steamer, but this is the one I've been using. I bought this like $23 on Amazon. This is how it looks like, and it works. It works for me. Okay, it's easy to use. This thing is really soft. Okay, you remove it, you put water in the thing, let me see if I can just, okay, let me just show you guys, just in case you're interested in this one. See, you remove this, and in here, where is that in? Okay, so see, I have one of the vapor pads even in there. It's not out of scent. Interesting. And then you just here, oops, I still have water. This is where you put the water, okay? And then you just twist it back. I need to clean this thing because I got water in there. The water is from a couple of days ago, so I need to throw it out and clean it. And then you just place this thing back on it, and you just plug it, and that's it. It takes like 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes for it to get hot, for the steam to start coming up, and you just wear it. Usually I wear it, I check my YouTube, I wear it, I check my emails, I wear it. I've been doing some assignments while I'm wearing it. Okay, it's really easy to use, but like I said, sometimes when I don't feel like putting this on my face, I just grab one of the vapor pads and I just sniff it, because I'm getting the same benefit anyway. And oh god, it's not been easy. Like this particular year, allergies has made me so damn lazy. Okay, I've been so lazy. What time is it? I woke up at 5:30 something. It's currently 11 a.m. 11:07. Let me be honest, 11:07. And the only thing that I've done so far since I woke up is brush my teeth and oil up my face because I was about to record a video. This allergies has made me so lazy to do anything. I don't even feel like making breakfast or anything. But anyway, I'm done with this video. So just in case you have allergies, okay, and you don't really know what to do, and maybe you sniff water too, like I do, hot water, the steam, so that your sinuses get cleared up, but it's not working, especially this particular spring. I recommend that you purchase this. It's just $23. $23 is gonna save your sinuses. Okay, I use this, so usually I forgot to tell you how I use this. I use this once a day whenever I come from work in the morning before I sleep, right after I've taken my shower, brushed my teeth and everything, and I'm ready to sleep. I just put the water in here, snip the water, and then it clears up my sinuses even more, so I'll be able to have a good at least 6 hours of sleep, without sneezing, doing anything, anything to distract my sleep. So I use that. And so far it's working and I like it. So I just wanted to come here and recommend it for you guys. I've been using this for over a month now, and I see changes. Like my sinuses actually do clear up. So yeah, I recommend that you guys use it. I really don't have the link on it to Amazon, but you can just when you go on Amazon, you can just check steamers, and you can get this one. Okay. And also talking about Amazon, my products are back. Okay, I had a little issue with Amazon. It's all sorted out now. So the hair butter, hair oil, it's on Amazon. You can go purchase it. I'm going to try to leave the link down below so you guys can click on it and go and then purchase my product. And always remember, when you purchase this product, the profits being made is used to take care of one child in Africa. So far, it's just Africa and in Ghana that I'm actually looking at. Okay, this money is used to provide them with education, food, shelter, clothing, whatever they need for them to, whatever they need for them to, for them to be comfortable with life in general, with going to school, and also the word of God is being placed in their hearts, so that they too, when they grow up, they will know that, okay, you too, it's good to serve others. I don't know if I made that clear. I will create another video explaining exactly what I do with this profit that I make from Divine Care Naturals. Okay, but just don't forget, go online and purchase my items. Thank you all, and I love you all, and as always, God loves you more, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye, and yeah, see ya.